In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll walk through how to get from a quick Google search all the way to the point where you can start setting up a professional email through Google Workspace inside Squarespace. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace, then click the official Squarespace result. This gets you straight to their homepage, so you're starting from a trusted place. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account options right away. If not, sign in so Squarespace can take you to the right place. Keep your login handy and make sure you're on the correct account you use for your site. From the Profile menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It's where you'll find your sites and the key settings you'll need. Once you're in the dashboard, click Website. This opens the website you're managing. If you have more than one site, double-check that you're selecting the correct one so your settings changes land in the right place. Inside your site's settings, locate the search field at the top. Click into the search bar. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the tool you need without hunting through menus. Type domains and email. As you type, Squarespace will narrow down the options and show you exactly where to go. When you see the domains and email result appear, click it to open that settings area. You're now in the place where domain connections and professional email live. Here, find the Google Workspace option and click it. This is the doorway to setting up professional email on your own domain, managed through Google's tools but integrated right from Squarespace. Clicking this will open the guided setup flow. It's designed to be straightforward, and it keeps your website, domain, and email working together smoothly. A couple of quick tips as you reach this point. Make sure you know which domain you want to use for email, so your addresses look professional and consistent. If you already use Google Workspace with another provider, be mindful that you don't create a duplicate subscription. Instead, look for options to connect existing services. And if you manage multiple team members, plan the addresses you'll need before you proceed, so the setup is clean and organized. That's it for getting from search to the Google Workspace setup within Squarespace. You're now perfectly positioned to complete your professional email configuration right inside that guided flow.